Love a good feed that does your body good. Imagine indulging in a meal that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also nourishes your body from the inside out. Stuffed sweet potatoes, that's where it's at. These delightful creations are a game changer in the world of healthy eating. Forget boring diet food. These bad boys are packed with flavor and good for you. Imagine a dish that bursts with vibrant colors and tantalizing aromas, making every meal an experience to look forward to. We're talking vitamins, minerals, fiber, the works. Plus, they're super versatile. Sweet potatoes are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a rich source of beta-carotene, vitamin C, and potassium. They are also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Get ready to ditch the guilt and chow down on some seriously satisfying goodness. Imagine savoring each bite, knowing that you're treating your body to wholesome, nutritious food without compromising on taste. These ain't your average baked potatoes. Each stuffed sweet potato is a unique creation, a canvas for your culinary imagination. Sweet potatoes bring a natural sweetness and creamy texture that makes every bite a delight. Their inherent sweetness pairs beautifully with a variety of fillings, from savory to sweet, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. And the best part? You can stuff them with whatever your heart desires. Whether you're in the mood for a hearty, savory filling like black beans and quinoa, or a sweet treat with cinnamon and honey, the possibilities are endless. From savory to sweet, the possibilities are endless. You can experiment with different ingredients and flavors, making each meal a new adventure. Think of combinations like spicy chickpeas with tahini sauce, or apple and walnut with a drizzle of maple syrup. Get ready to unleash your inner chef and create a culinary masterpiece that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your body. With stuffed sweet potatoes, you have the freedom to explore and innovate, turning simple ingredients into extraordinary dishes. So roll up your sleeves, get creative, and enjoy the delicious journey of healthy eating. Let's break down the nutritional A-team in these epic stuffed sweet potatoes. These ingredients are not just delicious, but also pack a powerful punch of nutrients that can elevate your health game to the next level. First up, the MVP, sweet potatoes. These root vegetables are not only versatile, but also incredibly nutritious. These vibrant spuds are bursting with vitamin A, giving your immune system and vision a boost. Vitamin A is crucial for maintaining healthy skin, vision, and organ function. We're talking over 100% of your daily needs in just one serving. Imagine getting all that goodness in just one meal. They're also packed with fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Fiber is essential for digestive health, helping to regulate your bowel movements and prevent constipation. Next up, we've got Greek yogurt, a creamy and tangy dream. This dairy delight is not just tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your body. It's a protein powerhouse, helping to build and repair those hard-working muscles. Protein is essential for muscle growth, tissue repair, and overall body function. Plus, it's loaded with gut-friendly probiotics that keep your digestive system humming along. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help maintain the natural balance of organisms in your intestines. And don't forget the dynamic duo berries and nuts. These two ingredients not only add flavor and texture, but also bring a host of health benefits. Berries bring a burst of antioxidants, fighting off those pesky free radicals that can wreak havoc on your cells. Antioxidants are compounds that inhibit oxidation, a process that can produce free radicals leading to cell damage. Nuts add a satisfying crunch and a dose of healthy fats, which are essential for brain health and hormone balance. Healthy fats are crucial for absorbing vitamins, reducing inflammation, and supporting cell growth. So when you combine sweet potatoes, Greek yogurt, berries, and nuts, you're not just making a meal, you're creating a nutritional powerhouse. This combination ensures you get a balanced intake of vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, improve your digestion, or simply enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal, this recipe has got you covered. It's a perfect blend of taste and health, making it an ideal choice for any meal of the day. So go ahead, give this recipe a try, and experience the incredible benefits of these superfoods. Your body will thank you, and your taste buds will too. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. With the right ingredients, you can create meals that are both nutritious and delicious. Enjoy! Now for the fun part, making this recipe your own. Feel free to swap out the berries for your favorite fruits. Sliced bananas and a drizzle of honey? Yes, please. Or how about some juicy mango chunks and a sprinkle of toasted coconut? Go wild. Craving a savory twist? We've got you covered. Swap out the Greek yogurt for some spicy black beans and salsa. Or try a dollop of guacamole and a sprinkle of crumbled feta cheese. The only limit is your imagination. Ready to get your hands dirty? Let's dive into making a delicious and nutritious stuffed sweet potato masterpiece that will impress everyone at the table. This recipe is so easy, even a kitchen novice can nail it. No need to be a professional chef. Just follow these simple steps and you'll have a mouth-watering dish in no time. First, scrub your sweet potatoes clean. Make sure to get rid of any dirt or debris. Then, prick them a few times with a fork. This helps steam escape while they bake, ensuring they cook evenly. Pop those beauties in a preheated oven, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Let them bake for about an hour, or until they are tender when pierced with a fork. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making it hard to wait. While they're baking, it's the perfect time to prep your toppings. This is where you can get creative and customize your sweet potatoes to your liking. Start by washing and chopping your berries. Fresh berries add a burst of flavor and a pop of color to your dish. You can use strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or a mix of all three. If you're feeling fancy, toast your nuts. Toasted nuts bring out a rich, deep flavor that complements the sweetness of the potatoes. You can use almonds, walnuts, pecans, or any nuts you prefer. Next, get that Greek yogurt ready to go. Greek yogurt adds a creamy texture and a tangy taste that balances the sweetness of the potatoes and the berries. You can also mix in a bit of honey or vanilla extract for extra flavor. Once your sweet potatoes are soft and cooked through, carefully slice them open. Use a fork to fluff up the flesh inside, making a nice bed for your toppings. Be careful, as they will be hot. Now it's time to load them up with your toppings. This is where you can really make the dish your own. Add as much or as little as you like. Start with a generous dollop of Greek yogurt, then sprinkle on your chopped berries and toasted nuts. Feel free to add a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra touch of sweetness. Greek yogurt, berries, nuts, go crazy. Enjoy your delicious and healthy stuffed sweet potato masterpiece. Section 5. Sweet Potato Secrets. Did you know? Here's a fun fact. Sweet potatoes aren't actually potatoes. They're root vegetables, while regular potatoes are stem tubers. Who knew? They're also nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In fact, just one sweet potato provides over 100% of your daily vitamin A, which is essential for healthy vision, skin, and immune function. Section 6. Greek yogurt. Goodness, a nutritional powerhouse. Greek yogurt is a true superfood. It's packed with protein, which helps build and repair tissues, and it's a good source of calcium, which is crucial for strong bones. But the real magic of Greek yogurt lies in its probiotics. These beneficial bacteria help keep your gut healthy and happy, which is essential for overall well-being. Section 7. Berrylicious Benefits. Antioxidants and more. Berries are like nature's candy. They're sweet, delicious, and oh so good for you. They're packed with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to aging and disease. Section 8. Nutty Nutrition, a handful of health. Nuts are nutritional powerhouses in a tiny package. They're a great source of healthy fats, fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. Walnuts, for example, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. And peanuts, technically legumes, but we won't tell if you don't, are packed with protein and fiber. Section 9. Jamie's verdict, the perfect recipe for the health-conscious foodie. Listen up, food lovers. This ain't your average side dish. This is a flavor explosion that's good for your soul and your body. It's quick, it's easy, and you can customize it till the cows come home. Trust me, this recipe is a game changer. So ditch the guilt, grab your sweet potatoes, and get ready to chow down on some seriously delicious goodness. Happy cooking! Subscribe to the Green Channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.